Doha, the capital of Qatar, is a desert but rich country. Along with the construction and the developing economic programs in the state of Qatar, a rising number of labor workers come to Qatar. The need to reach a high standard of labor camp comes to service. Now Wellcamp is targeting the 2022 FIFA World Cup projects and making a lot of labor camp around these areas. These camps located in Doha, Qatar, and totally more than 100,000 square meters. Almost 8,000 worker laborers can live in it. Inside have the office, workshop, supermarket, clinic, dormitory, canteen and security room. About 60,000 square meters for the dormitory and 15,000 square meters for the canteen. Okay, now let's come to our prefab labor camp. Below have the project photos and project videos for your reference. Dormitory. Canteen. Office. Workshop. Supermarket. Clinic. Security room. In this camp we together send with the water and electric system to support the labor workers' daily activities. In order to provide a stable and sustainable electricity, we will build a 2,000 square meters powerhouse inside the labor camp. All the materials we used are environment friendly and recyclable. The buildings can be rebuilt 6 times. What's more, the buildings are fireproof, waterproof and noise-proof. To be safe, all the camp is surrounded by 2-meter high concrete wall and have 32 public security patrol day and night. Seriously. After living half year, all the labor workers love this convenient and warm prefab home very much. They give a high appreciate for us. Wellcamp is a professional factory focus on prefab labor camp for 11 years. We have a modern, rapid and built solution for you. We have the confidence to be the #1 for the prefab labor camp. Beside the building we also send the accessories. Aluminum window. Steel door. Wash basin. Sit-down toilet. Squat toilet. Shower room. Ceramic tile. Ceiling. Our products include prefabricated buildings for dormitory, canteen, office, health facilities and security room, prefabricated container houses, Wellcamp villas and steel structure workshops. For more information, welcome to contact us.